Hey, welcome back Bellaras! In today's video, we're making a DIY coffee face mask that not only brightens your skin, but also helps exfoliate for a smooth, glowing complexion. Let's get started! Start by adding 1 teaspoon of coffee to a bowl. Coffee is packed with antioxidants and helps to brighten your skin while reducing puffiness. Next, add 1 teaspoon of milk powder, which hydrates and smoothens the skin. Then, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. This helps to thicken the mask and smoothen your face as well. Finally, pour in a little bit of rose water to create a paste. Rose water is soothing and balances the skin's pH. Once everything is mixed, apply the paste generously to your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes or until the mask dries completely. Once the mask has dried, it's time to remove it. The best part about this mask is that as it dries, you roll it off. It gently exfoliates your skin, removing dead skin cells and leaving your face feeling fresh and smooth. And there you have it, a simple natural face mask that exfoliates and brightens your skin. You'll feel the difference in just one use. Use this mask once or twice a week for best results. If you like this DIY face mask, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tutorials. Also, leave a comment below letting me know how it worked for you. See you next time. Bye!